Every student in America belongs in one of these categories. They're either doing elementary math and pre-algebra, they're doing algebra 1 and 2, or they're doing geometry and trigonometry pre-calculus. What I've done is I've created a platform that allows them, these are the sample documents, the actual documents are now on Amazon. I've created a platform that guides them through each of these. These are workbooks. So I show them the list of topics they need to focus on when they're working in this season. This is the pre-algebra. This is the algebra 1 and 2 combined. Basically, they know what concepts they need to be working on. These follow videos and notes on my website. And then the third one is geometry and trigonometry. The fourth book I have, so notice there's a pattern. First, you need to sketch the rocket. Then you need to put it in place. Then you need to launch it. Then you need to, then you can go out of space. Now, I'm not going to Mars, but that's just an example. Now, each of these comes with, there's a textbook on our website that you can log into My Open Math. The website we're using is My Open Math. So you log in there to give you access to the textbook, and this gives you the workbook where you show all your work for each of the topics. At the end of this, we provide you with resources that you can go back to, like multiplication table, things like that. Okay, so this is for the first book. This is focused on pre-algebra. You have all the practice problems examples here. The second one is algebra. There's algebra concepts, and this is where you do all your work. The third one is geometry. Right now, I'm actually going to focus on Euclid's geometry as our text. Imagine learning geometry from Euclid. I mean, how cool is that? Learn geometry from like the greatest, one of the greatest geometry instructors of all time, right? From 300 BC. Most people like Newton and all these guys used or reviewed books like this book. And then this fourth one is actually a recap of everything you've learned from Counting to Calculus. Keith Crescent has written a book, Understanding Mathematics from Counting to Calculus. This is the textbook. This is the Math Problems and Solutions Guide. And then I just provide a place for you to show your work of the concepts that you're learning. Students need to know the exact concept they're working on. I asked a student recently, what topic are you learning? It's like, I'm not sure. I think it's linear equations or something. It's like, no, math, you need to know exactly what you're working on. Like, are you working on percentages? Are you dividing fractions? You need to know the skill. So with these sets of resources, every student can master math like never before. Because if you know what's in these books, you are ready for calculus and you should just hit the ball out of the park, as they say. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, but this is the Counting to Calculus series. Each of these comes with a cohort that we're going to set up. So let me know if you have any questions. Amos@amosthemathguy.com is the email. Amos@amosthemathguy.com. Have a blessed day.